Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCGD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and this is a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice movement. When you can stop and think about where the price was at its lows on Friday, and then all of a sudden you look at where the price is just 1 day later, now Monday, any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a very solid move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is this the start of something bigger? Is there any sort of genuine power behind this movement? Or is this just one of these knee-jerk reactions, dead cat bounces? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that's this level up here at 75 cents. Why is 75 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 75 cents. If the price were to go down here, not saying it will, but if it were to go down at 75 and then just continue on down, from a very literal perspective, what would that be doing? Well, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of the range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price, again, does go down. However, in this situation, behaves like that before starting to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as staying up above that 75 cent mark. Now, what about levels of resistance? Main level going into Tuesday is going to be that pink line up there, which is the famous 200 period moving average. And that's valued right around the $1.05 mark, give or take a penny or two. So $1.05, public enemy number one. All in all, though, anyway, yes, look at it. Very, very impressive way to start off the week. And, that movement that I talked about on Friday, which is starting to go sideways, played out to be true. So that just goes to show, the power of charts and that they're definitely a worthwhile tool to learn about. But all in all, like I said, great way to start off the week. And the other good news is the week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see if the price can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.